Hello students. Today we will have a quiz on chapter 13, Plant Growth and Development. Read each question carefully, look at the options, and think of your answer before the timer runs out. Let's get started. What is growth in the context of plants? Option A, irreversible increase in size. Option B, temporary increase in size. Option C, decrease in size. Option D, change in color. The correct answer is irreversible increase in size. What is the primary function of meristems in plants? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, cell division and growth. Option C, nutrient absorption. Option D, water storage. The correct answer is cell division and growth. Which phase of growth involves cell division? Option A, maturation phase. Option B, elongation phase. Option C, meristematic phase. Option D, differentiation phase. The correct answer is meristematic phase. What is the term for the increase in weight or size of an organism over time? Option A, differentiation. Option B, development. Option C, growth rate. Option D, dedifferentiation. The correct answer is growth rate. Which type of growth is characterized by both daughter cells continuing to divide? Option A, arithmetic growth. Option B, geometric growth. Option C, indeterminate growth. Option D, determinate growth. The correct answer is geometric growth. What is the main role of auxins in plants? Option A, promote leaf drop. Option B, inhibit root growth. Option C, promote cell division. Option D, enhance flower color. The correct answer is promote cell division. What does differentiation in plants refer to? Option A, cell division. Option B, cell maturation for specific functions. Option C, cell enlargement. Option D, cell death. The correct answer is cell maturation for specific functions. What is dedifferentiation? Option A, loss of cell division capacity. Option B, regaining the ability to divide. Option C, cell specialization. Option D, cell death. The correct answer is regaining the ability to divide. Which phase follows the meristematic phase in plant growth? Option A, elongation phase. Option B, maturation phase. Option C, differentiation phase. Option D, rest phase. The correct answer is elongation phase. What is the primary factor that influences seed germination? Option A, temperature. Option B, light. Option C, water. Option D, soil type. The correct answer is water. What is the significance of abscisic acid in plants? Option A, promotes growth. Option B, inhibits seed germination. Option C, stimulates flowering. Option D, enhances photosynthesis. The correct answer is inhibits seed germination. Which plant growth regulator is known for promoting fruit ripening? Option A, auxin. Option B, cytokinin. Option C, gibberellin. Option D, ethylene. The correct answer is ethylene. What is the term for the growth pattern where only one daughter cell continues to divide? Option A, arithmetic growth. Option B, geometric growth. Option C, indeterminate growth. Option D, determinate growth. The correct answer is arithmetic growth. What is the role of cytokinins in plant growth? Option A, promote root growth. Option B, stimulate cell division. Option C, inhibit flowering. Option D, enhance seed dormancy. The correct answer is stimulate cell division. Which of the following is a characteristic of gibberellins? Option A, promote leaf senescence. Option B, inhibit stem elongation. Option C, stimulate internode elongation. Option D, reduce fruit size. The correct answer is stimulate internode elongation. What is the effect of auxins on lateral buds? Option A, promote growth. Option B, inhibit growth. Option C, have no effect. Option D, enhance flowering. The correct answer is inhibit growth. What is the relationship between growth and differentiation? Option A, they are unrelated processes. Option B, growth leads to differentiation. Option C, differentiation leads to growth. Option D, both occur simultaneously only. The correct answer is growth leads to differentiation. Which of the following is an example of plasticity in plants? Option A, heterophyly. Option B, apical dominance. Option C, seed dormancy. Option D, cell division. The correct answer is heterophyly. What is the primary function of the vascular cambium? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, transport of nutrients. Option C, secondary growth. Option D, water storage. The correct answer is secondary growth. What happens during the maturation phase of growth? Option A, cell division occurs. Option B, cells reach their maximum size. Option C, cell differentiation begins. Option D, cells undergo dedifferentiation. The correct answer is cells reach their maximum size. What is the significance of light as an extrinsic factor in plant growth? Option A, promotes seed germination. Option B, inhibits root growth. Option C, affects flowering and growth patterns. Option D, enhances cell division. The correct answer is affects flowering and growth patterns. Which plant growth regulator is known as the stress hormone? Option A, gibberellin. Option B, cytokinin. Option C, ethylene. Option D, abscisic acid. The correct answer is abscisic acid. What is the role of ethylene in fruit ripening? Option A. Inhibits ripening. Option B. Stimulates respiration. Option C. Promotes seed dormancy. Option D. Enhances photosynthesis. The correct answer is stimulates respiration. What is the main characteristic of secondary growth in plants? Option A. Increase in height. Option B. Increase in girth. Option C. Formation of leaves. Option D. Root development. The correct answer is increase in girth. What is the primary site of auxin production in plants? Option A. Roots. Option B. Leaves. Option C. Apical buds. Option D. Flowers. The correct answer is apical buds. What is the primary effect of gibberellins on fruit development? Option A. Inhibits growth. Option B. Promotes elongation. Option C. Reduces size. Option D. Enhances color. The correct answer is promotes elongation. What is the significance of the apical dominance phenomenon? Option A. Promotes lateral growth. Option B. Inhibits lateral bud growth. Option C. Enhances root growth. Option D. Stimulates flowering. The correct answer is inhibits lateral bud growth. What is the primary role of plant growth regulators? Option A. Control photosynthesis. Option B. Regulate growth and development. Option C. Enhance water absorption. Option D. Promote seed dispersal. The correct answer is regulate growth and development. What is the effect of removing the apical bud on a plant? Option A. Inhibits growth. Option B. Stimulates lateral bud growth. Option C. Reduces leaf size. Option D. Promotes root growth. The correct answer is stimulates lateral bud growth. What is the role of auxins in herbicides? Option A. Promote growth. Option B. Inhibit cell division. Option C. Kill dicotyledonous weeds. Option D. Enhance flowering. The correct answer is kill dicotyledonous weeds. What is the main effect of abscisic acid on stomata? Option A. Opens stomata. Option B. Closes stomata. Option C. Inhibits photosynthesis. Option D. Promotes growth. The correct answer is closes stomata. What is the significance of the lag phase in growth? Option A. Rapid growth occurs. Option B. No growth occurs. Option C. Cells are preparing for division. Option D. Cells are differentiating. The correct answer is cells are preparing for division. Which of the following processes is an example of redifferentiation? Option A. Formation of meristems. Option B. Cell division. Option C. Maturation of cells. Option D. Cell enlargement. The correct answer is formation of meristems. What is the primary role of cytokinins in plant tissue culture? Option A. Promote rooting. Option B. Stimulate cell division. Option C. Inhibit growth. Option D. Enhance photosynthesis. The correct answer is stimulate cell division. What is the effect of gibberellins on seed germination? Option A. Inhibits germination. Option B. Promotes germination. Option C. Has no effect. Option D. Delays germination. The correct answer is promotes germination. What is the primary function of the cork cambium? Option A. Transport nutrients. Option B. Protects the plant. Option C. Facilitate photosynthesis. Option D. Store water. The correct answer is protect the plant. What is the main characteristic of the geometric growth pattern? Option A. Constant growth rate. Option B. Exponential increase in size. Option C. Linear increase in size. Option D. Decreasing growth rate. The correct answer is exponential increase in size. What is the main effect of ethylene on flowers? Option A. Promotes blooming. Option B. Inhibits blooming. Option C. Enhances color. Option D. Reduces size. The correct answer is promotes blooming. What is the role of environmental signals in plant growth? Option A. They have no effect. Option B. They regulate growth processes. Option C. They inhibit growth. Option D. They only affect flowering. The correct answer is they regulate growth processes. What is the main characteristic of the maturation phase of growth? Option A. Cell division occurs. Option B. Cells reach their maximum size and function. Option C. Cells are undifferentiated. Option D. Cells are actively dividing. The correct answer is cells reach their maximum size and function.